And I give now the floor to non-governmental organization MADRE. You have the floor.
Les membres du Conseil, je vous remercie de m'avoir invité.
Members of Council, I thank you for the invitation to come here today and address you. Malya Villard-Appolon is my name. I'm one of the leaders of this women's organization working with the victims of sexual violence. I, too, am a victim of rape. Our organization works together with many partners, including MADRE, an organization for democracy in Haiti, as well as others. The right to education is connected to the issue of violence against women. After the January earthquake, the situation of people in the camps have really made women much more vulnerable to rape. I live in a tent in a camp, and I am a witness of the violence against women and girls who live in the camp all around me. And I'm also a witness to the government's response, a response which is entirely insufficient. There are at least 250 cases of rape that have been reported since the earthquake. But we've seen no criminal investigation at all yet, and no justice for any of the victims. The violence occurs in the camps for 4 reasons. There is a lack of education and no open discussion on women's condition and sexuality. There is not enough security in the camps either, and there is not enough permanent housing. NGOs don't work with the grassroots who actually work in the camp, and the distribution of aid is not effective, and this makes poverty and the violence worse. So I would urge the Council to make the following recommendation together with the international community and the government of Haiti. There must be human rights education provided and awareness raising on women's rights. And there has to be gender awareness training for the Haitian police force and information provided to women so that they know what their rights are. There must be immediate security and lighting provided in the camps, and to make sure that there is proper access to education. We must remember the relevant UN principles on displaced persons, and we must urge governments to consult Haitian women and ensure that they take part in decisions which affect their lives. And to conclude, member states must require that one of the criteria for receiving financial aid is to respect women's rights. You don't often hear voices like mine in such fora, and I wanted to thank you very kindly for your attention.